In June this year, Kingston received the 2024 Red Dots Awards for Product Design for its Kingston SX1000 Portable SSD. They recently announced the additions of a new red colors, joining the all-black SX1000. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 121. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is the Kingston SX1000R. Here's a quick unboxing and what's included in the box. The Kingston SX1000R Portable SSD, USB-C to A cable, and USB-A to C adapter. Aesthetically, it has the exact same design as the Kingston SX2000 that I reviewed previously. It uses metals and plastic casings material. It even has the same dimensions of 69.54 by 32.58mm and a thickness of just 13.5mm. The Kingston SX1000R is not only compact, it's very lightweight at only 28.7 grams. The Kingston SX1000R is equipped with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface, providing up to 1050 MB/s read and 1000 Mbps write speeds. It comes with two storage options, 1TB and 2TB. With large storage capacities and high performance, it is suitable not only for additional storage needs for your PC and mobile devices, but also work as a scratch disk for video editing. If you are content creators who shoot ProRes vlog on an iPhone 15 Pro, the Kingston SX1000 offers the advantages of its compactness, portability, and high read-write speeds, allowing you to record directly to the drive. It will be perfect if there's a case made to mount the drive on the iPhone or MagSafe accessories and pair with a shorter USB-C to C cable. The Kingston SS1000R is probably one of the best budget 10 Gbps speed portable SSD that offer the best bang for the buck while delivering a solid performance and confidently providing you a 5 years of warranty. If I were given an award, the Kingston SX1000R deserves a highly recommended award. If you happen to have a PC that supports USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, 2-lane and needs a 4TB of storage space, you can consider the SX2000. You can check my fast view videos by clicking the link above here. That's all from me on the new colors of this Kingston SX1000R Portable SSD. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.